The mobile power unit also has 3 alkaline AA batteries that are used to power the alarms if it loses AC power, such as during a power failure. These batteries should be replaced every 6 months. The yellow battery symbol illuminates and a beeping audio tone sounds whenever the unit's alkaline batteries are not installed or are depleted and need to be changed. Important: never change the alkaline batteries while you are connected to the mobile power unit. To change the mobile power unit's 3 alkaline AA batteries, first switch to battery power and then disconnect the mobile power unit power cord from the wall outlet. To open the battery compartment, use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to loosen the rear panel screw. Remove the battery compartment cover. Pull the ribbon to remove the depleted batteries. Then place the new AA batteries in the compartment, oriented as shown on the battery clip. Be sure the red ribbon is underneath the batteries. Replace the battery compartment cover and tighten the screw until the cover is securely closed. Next, make sure the power cord is connected into the mobile power unit. Then plug the power cord back into an electrical outlet. It will then automatically perform a self-test. If you are connected to the mobile power unit during a power outage, or if it becomes disconnected from power, the backup battery in the system controller will power the pump. The no external power alarm will occur on the controller, and the mobile power unit will echo the continuous alarm tone. You should immediately switch to a pair of fully charged batteries until power has been restored to the mobile power unit. Another mobile power unit alarm to be aware of is the yellow wrench advisory alarm accompanied by a beeping audio tone, which indicates an internal malfunction has been detected. If this occurs, immediately switch to a pair of fully charged batteries and call your VAD coordinator or hospital contact person.